Need to save a web page as a PDF? Easy. But what if you need to convert 10, 20, or even 50 web pages at once? Let me show you how using PDFEquips. For a single page, it's straightforward. I'm on the Web to PDF tool. I paste my URL, optionally set PDF options like page size and margins, and hit Convert to PDF. Done. But here's where it gets powerful. If I need to convert a bunch of pages at once, I can upload a CSV or TXT file with all my URLs listed. I've got a file here with 50 URLs. Documentation pages, articles, reference material. I'll upload it, set my PDF options, and hit Convert All to PDF. PDFEquips processes every single URL and gives me all 50 PDFs ready to download. That's it. Whether it's one page or 50, PDFEquips handles it. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.